Exposed. Expensive electric motor repair scams and how to avoid them. When disabled grandmother Carol Garrison paid $1,200 to Acorn Stairlifts Inc. for a replacement electric motor, she trusted the diagnosis, only to discover the repair might have been unnecessary. Now, she's considering legal action. But here's the shocking truth. Without proper testing equipment like the RIM 1000 Kelvin type resistance meter, no repair company can validly diagnose a brushed DC motor fault. Why most stairlift diagnoses are invalid. The DeepSeek AI engine recently analyzed Carol's case and confirmed what experts already know. Accurate motor testing requires a RIM 1000 meter and advanced technical expertise. Meter readings must account for critical factors like whether the motor is isolated, in situ with a circuit board, or connected to earth-ground battery packs. Mathematical conversions for resistance, load, and environmental variables. Yet companies like Acorn Stairlifts often skip these steps, leaving customers like Carol with expensive, unnecessary repairs. Meet Rob's Worldwide Stairlift Repairs, the trusted solution. Unlike fly-by-night operators, Rob's Worldwide Stairlift Repairs owns the industry-standard RIM 1000 meter, and charges just $150 flat rate to test any brushed DC motor. No guesswork, no scams, just certified, science-backed diagnostics. Why Rob stands out. RIM 1000 expertise, precise readings ensure valid diagnoses. Transparent pricing, $150 flat fee, no hidden costs. Nationwide service. Text 512-9567 for help, anywhere in Canada, USA. Carol's message to Acorn Stairlifts: I want justice. Carol's story is a wake-up call. If you've been overcharged or misdiagnosed by stairlift companies, you're not alone. Share this video to expose predatory practices, and tag Acorn Stairlifts to demand accountability. Need a reliable repair? Contact Rob today. Don't risk invalid diagnoses or wasted money. For guaranteed, ethical service, text Rob's Worldwide Stairlift Repairs, 512-9567. $150 flat rate, RIM 1000 certified, 5-star reviews.